Okay, let's look at sum of two lowest positive integers. Create a function that returns the sum of the two lowest positive numbers given in an array. And at minimum, you're gonna have 4. Okay, when arrays pass like 19, blah, 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 the output should be 7. Why is it 7? Because you got the two lowest 5, 6, 7. And the two lowest here, 10, and one of these. I think it's this one, of course, this one. You get that? Okay, that seems pretty simple. Should be a quick one. Let's go here. Get a new file, JS. It's called sum of two lowest ints. And add that. We will train. And we will do some prep work. PREP. So what are our inputs? Our inputs should be arrays, which returns the sum two lowest positive numbers given an array of miles. So we're getting an array of minimum 4 positive integers as input, and it's returning the sum of the two lowest positive numbers. So it's returning. So for example, here's a couple examples. So we just copy this. Uh-oh. Clean that up. Good enough. Actually, no, I'll just leave that. There's their example. So we're getting 13 here because these are the two lowest. 8 plus 5 is 13, etc., etc. Okay, so we don't need this anymore. Let's go ahead and do some pseudocode. So what I want to do is, so for example, let's take this example. We are going to get something like this as numbers, and we need to find the two smallest ones. So in order to get two smallest ones, though, my first thought was to just use the minimum function. It's like, okay, if we use the minimum function, then we still need to, what I could do, we don't even need the minimum function. We can sort these. So sort the numbers and just grab the first two and add them up, right? So that's what we're going to do. We're going to sort numbers. Oh, I didn't need that, huh? I'm going to sort the numbers and grab index 1 and grab index 2. Sum index 1 plus index 2 and return. Well, actually, we can do that all in one. We can just return the sum. All right, it seems like we can do. So like I said, I'm gonna take this number that it gives me, I'm gonna sort it, and then once it's sorted, you can take the first two, which would be the smallest two, and just add them up, return the sum, and that's all it's asking for. Okay, so let's go ahead and code that up. So we're gonna take numbers. Yeah. Let's just make sure that's right. So console.log numbers.sort, and make sure it sorts those numbers. We can get the right file, and also call the function. Yeah, just what I thought. So if you want to sort it, we need to use that sort function. So it'd be A and B, a minus b, and return a minus b, and that should fix this right here. There we go. So we can get 5 and 8 and add those. So that's what we're going to do instead of console.log, though we don't want console.log. Okay, so we just want to, I wonder if I can do this all in one take. So nah, I couldn't do that. So what I'm going to do is assign this to a variable. So call this sorted rs, and then I'm going to return sorted rs 0 plus sorted rs 1 not equals plus, and that should give us what we need. Let's console.log this. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and we get 13. Let's run another one. Get this, and it said our sum should be 6. Yep. So I'm feeling pretty confident about this answer. It's not that many lines of code. Let's go ahead and take this over to our Codewars. Paste that there. Run the test. Awesome, we passed that test, and let's attempt to pass the rest of them, and we are good to go.